Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Jeep Renegade full guide. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and letting the engine cool fully. Lift the vehicle with a jack and secure with stands, then place a drain pan under the oil pan. Remove the drain plug carefully, allow oil to drain completely, and inspect the plug and washer for damage before reinstalling. With oil drained, locate and remove the oil filter using an oil filter wrench if needed, keeping the drain pan under it. Clean the filter mounting surface and apply a thin layer of new oil to the replacement gasket to ensure a proper seal. Install the new filter by hand until snug, then follow the manufacturer's recommended additional turn to avoid over-tightening and potential leaks while you reinstall the. After reinstalling the drain plug and filter, lower the vehicle and add the recommended oil type and amount through the filler cap. Add oil gradually and check the dipstick until the level reaches the full mark without exceeding it. Start the engine for a minute, then turn off and recheck the dipstick and the oil filter area for leaks, topping up if needed and disposing of used oil responsibly at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.